Hey guys, Jai Hind and welcome to Kesari Legalitics. My name is Rishabh Kesari. In this phase one, you will learn how to automate your reports, perform in-depth data analysis and mass threading data cleanup, along with creating dynamic dashboards and setting up powerful automations. We're starting this series with Microsoft Excel, taking you from a complete beginner to an advanced level by covering every topic in rich detail. This tutorial isn't just about learning Excel, it is designed to sharpen your skills and help you build a successful career in data analysis. Let's get started. Microsoft Excel is an incredible, powerful tool designed to help you manage large amount of data and create professional reports quickly. It's a real time saver because it allows you to automate daily tasks and report, meaning you don't have to start from scratch every single day. In the home page of Excel, you will find tons of templates by which you can browse these worksheets and see how the complex formulas and formatting will work. And I'm using Excel 365 version where I can access my entire data through the clouds. And trust me, OneDrive is a very useful tool for the person who work in the multiple devices and do not want to carry their laptop or working devices. So I can access my entire data through the clouds in my home and my in my work also. So function of OneDrive, we will talk about this in my further videos. So also, I just want to say, please update your devices. Use Excel 365, 2025 versions or 2021 versions. You can easily find it online, download it, and work on the latest applications because in the competition field, when you work in a updated tools, then you will sharpen your skills by the latest features and access shortcuts. अगर हम किसी भी टेम्पलेट्स को ओपन करना चाहते हैं और अगर उसमें हम काम करना चाहते हैं बहुत इजीली कर सकते हैं क्योंकि ये इनबिल्ट फार्मूलाज होता है इसमें और ये बहुत ही नीटली डिजाइन किया जाता है। अगर आप एक सिंपल इनवॉइस का एक एग्जांपल लें तो इसमें आप देख सकते हैं कि इसमें जो डेट्स वगैरह हैं वो ऑटोमेटिकली फॉर्मुलेटेड इस तरीके से हैं कि आप डेली इसे जब ओपन करेंगे तो वो उस हिसाब से आपको वेल मेंटेन्ड मिलेगा। If you see there's a number in it and the formulas supporting with these prices, like if I put some discount right here, then it will be deducted from the final amount. And if I change the quantity, then it will go into effect by the prices. Let's move to the blank page of our Excel. As you can see, these Excel are divided into panes from top to bottom. In the overview of these workbook, you will see in the top there's a quick access toolbar where you can customize these tools you used every day. Like in this example, I added some of these tools by for my convenient, and this can help me for fast accessing these tools, which is in the different ribbon tabs. Ribbon tabs contain all your tools available in these. Below that, you will find name box. Name box contains the cell address, and here this is the formula bar where the formula contains. Like if I put some formula right here, then you will see the value is appearing right here. And when you activate this cell, then you will see the formula is right in the formula bar. And like in this column and in this row, this column contain E and this column is contain 5. Then their intersection will be displayed right here, E5. In the spreadsheet, the vertical lines is called columns and the horizontal lines is called rows. The box is called cells. Below that, status bar, sheet tab bar, workbook views and page zoom in, zoom out button. From below the spreadsheet, you will find sheet tabs. Sheet tabs can be more add from this plus sign. Also, sheet tabs cannot be in a same name because every sheet is a unique name so that it cannot be conflict with the formulas. Like if I put it right here, the same sheet name before that this sheet, then it will not accept that. Below that, you will find status bar. Status bar contain the information of your sheet. Like if I put some data right here and select these cells, then you will see there's a count 3 will be displayed right here because there are only 3 contained in the cells. Right here, you will find macro buttons. We will talk about this later. Here, you will find workbook views where you can convert your worksheets in different forms. And right here, you will find the zoom in and zoom out button. You can access these tabs by the shortcuts from the Alt key in the spreadsheet. When you press Alt, then you will see the key tips will be appear in the commands. The quick access toolbar is accessed from numeric keys, and the ribbon tabs will access from the alphabetical keys. And when you press one of these key tips like home, then the content of the home tabs will now appear by the key tips of the shortcuts. So these shortcuts will help you to access these commands fastly, and also in your data management, this will be very time preserving, and the you can create your reports fastly. If you understand these and learn these shortcuts, then you don't have to use mouse for your working. You can only use keyboard so for the fast accessing of these shortcuts. कहने का मतलब ये कि आपको कीबोर्ड की ही सिर्फ जरूरत है एक्सेल को कमांड या कंट्रोल करने की. अगर आप अच्छे से सारे शॉर्टकट्स को सीख जाते हैं तो आपको माउस को की छूने की आपको जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. डेटा एक्सेसिंग एंड डेटा क्लीनिंग में बहुत ये टूल्स आपके काम आने वाले हैं अगर आप इसको शॉर्टकट के थ्रू यूज करते हैं. Some hidden shortcuts are also available in this Excel because in some older versions, these menus like in Excel 2003, okay, 2007 खुल गया. So in the old interface, these are the legacy shortcuts. Like Alt I will activate the insert shortcut, Alt O will activate this format. And from these old to new Excel, the interface changes a lot. Where you can see the old ones are accessed by F for file, and which is also for file menu. Edit will be changed, view will change, insert changes, format changes. But their working is as it is in this Excel. Like in this Excel, if I press Alt key, then F will open file menu, E will open edit menu, and it will, if I choose E, then it will open these menus. And you can see these shortcuts having these key tips right here, just underlined by the particular alphabets. So these are the sequential shortcuts and hidden shortcuts, which is called Excel legacy shortcuts. In the end of the video, and in my further upcoming videos, I will give you these Excel legacy shortcuts by these menus keys, and you can also search it that by yourself. For example, in this Excel, if I press Alt with E, then you will see right here. This is saying that Office Access key. Continuing typing the menu sequence from earlier version of Office, or press X escape to cancel. It is saying that कि पुराने Excel में जो आपके मेनू के की सीक्वेंस थे वही आपके इस सीक्वेंस में काम आने वाले हैं. अगर मैं आपको एक सिंपल सा एग्जांपल अगर इसमें आपको बताऊं तो इंसर्ट कॉलम में मैं कोई दूसरा एग्जांपल लेता हूं. चलिए अब लेते हैं एडिट मेनू में कट का ऑप्शन. तो ये हमारे ई के बाद टी प्रेस करने पे ये कट हो जाएगा. देन अगर हम यहाँ पे कुछ भी टाइप करके और हम यहाँ पे उसी ऑप्शन का यूज करते हैं ऑल्ट ई एंड एक्स, and you will see the cell will be copied and cutted. कट के लिए टी था एंड सी कॉपी के लिए सी था. आई प्रेस हियर ऑल्ट आई एन सी, इन इजीली अपना इसको पेस्ट कर सकते हैं. सिमिलरली ये जो आपके एक्सेल लेगेसी शॉर्टकट्स हैं ये बहुत हिडन फीचर है आपके एक्सेल का, जिससे हर किसी को इस चीज के बारे में नहीं पता है कि ये सीक्वेंस कैसे काम करते हैं. बट ट्रस्ट मी, अगर आप ये एक्सेल की सीक्वेंस सीख जाते हैं तो आपके लिए वर्किंग बहुत आसान होगी. किसी भी डेटा को मैनेज करना आपके लिए बहुत इजीली एक्सेसिबल होगा हर टूल के लिए. सो मूविंग ऑन टू दी शॉर्टकट्स. As you can see, the shortcuts can be accessed from Alt and also can be accessed from /D in some versions. And in the sequential shortcuts, you will find that if you press any of these shortcuts by the sequence, like if I press Alt with N, then it will open insert menu. And inside these tabs, if I press V, then it will again open the key sequence of these options by their key tips. And if I press T, then that pivot table will be inserted. Ribbon tabs and groups. These ribbon tabs containing all the applications commands from In the file menu, you can see that there is an option and which contain the settings of these workbooks, where these settings contain the internal management of the worksheet, where the formulas, automatic and manual, will convert your automatic formulas into manual ways. So when you uh, calculate the sheet by the refresh, then the formula will be executed. These options and these features will be helpful in our further videos. So let's stay connected and let's see what comes next. As we're talking about groups and tabs, the tabs contain the all the commands and categorized by their nature. Like in the home tab, you can see there is a formula, clipboard tab, font, alignment group, number group, style group, cell, editings, add-ins. These options, these groups having different by their nature. And when you see the in other tabs, all these options are divided in the groups. We're gonna break down these home tab and other tabs via a single video. So I hope you really enjoy these videos and please keep supporting. And this is my first video, and later on I'll be soonly uploaded all the introduction and features of these relevant tabs. So stay connected and please do subscribe and share.